Washing your car may seem easy, but many people make mistakes that can harm the paint and remove its shine. Using the wrong methods can damage your car over time. Here are simple washing methods that can help your car stay clean, shiny, and well maintained. Washing your car in direct sunlight is a common mistake that can affect the final results. The heat causes water and soap to dry too quickly, leaving behind water spots and streaks on the paint. It can also make it harder to rinse the soap properly, which may damage the car's finish over time. For the best results, wash your car in a shaded area or during cooler parts of the day, such as early morning or late afternoon. Before washing your car with soap, always rinse it thoroughly with clean water. This important step removes loose dirt, dust, sand, and other particles from the surface. If these particles are not removed first, they can scratch the paint while you wash the car. A good rinse makes the washing process safer, easier, and more effective, helping to keep your car's finish smooth and shiny. Avoid using household detergents such as dish soap or laundry soap when washing your car. These products are made for cleaning dishes and clothes, not vehicle paint. They can remove the protective wax layer and make the paint look dull over time. Always use a quality car shampoo that is specially designed to clean your car safely and protect its finish. Car shampoo is specially made to remove dirt, dust, and road grime without harming the paint or protective wax coating. It creates rich foam that safely lifts dirt from the surface, reducing the risk of scratches. Regular use of car shampoo keeps the paint shiny and helps maintain the car's value and appearance for a longer time. Using 2 buckets is a simple but effective way to wash your car safely. Fill 1 bucket with clean water and car shampoo, and use the second bucket with plain water for rinsing your wash mitt or sponge. This method helps keep dirt and grit out of the soapy water, reducing the chance of scratching the paint. The 2-bucket method makes car washing cleaner, safer, and more professional. Always start washing your car from the top and work your way down to the lower sections. The roof, windows, and upper panels are usually cleaner than the bottom parts, which collect more dirt and road grime. Washing from top to bottom prevents dirty water from running over areas you have already cleaned. This method makes the washing process more efficient and helps keep the car's paint free from unnecessary scratches. Using a soft microfiber mitt is one of the best ways to protect your car's paint while washing. Microfiber fibers gently lift and trap dirt, reducing the risk of scratches and swirl marks on the surface. Unlike rough sponges, a microfiber mitt holds more soapy water and cleans more effectively. Regular use of a quality microfiber mitt helps keep your car looking clean, smooth, and shiny for a longer time. Paying attention to the wheels is an important part of a complete car wash. Wheels collect a large amount of brake dust, mud, dirt, and road grime that can be difficult to remove if left for too long. Use a separate brush or cleaning mitt to clean the wheels so that dirt does not spread to the car's paint. Clean wheels improve the overall appearance of your vehicle and help maintain their condition over time. Drying the car properly after washing is an important step to keep the paint looking clean and shiny. Do not let the car dry naturally because water drops can leave marks and spots on the surface. Use a soft microfiber towel to remove water gently without scratching the paint. Proper drying helps protect the car's finish and gives it a smooth, polished appearance. Applying wax after washing your car helps protect the paint and keep it looking fresh. Wax creates a protective layer that helps block dirt, sunlight, rain, and other harmful elements. It also adds shine and makes the car's surface smoother, which helps reduce dirt sticking to the paint. Regular waxing keeps your vehicle looking newer and protects its finish for a longer time. So, by applying these steps and using the right products, you can keep your car's paint clean, protected, and shining.